Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, Something of Dreams. I should have done my research before. Normally I have a note beside me telling me what to say. So the value of this box is £190 and I paid £95. I'm pretty excited because I've just started buying Charlotte Tilbury things because we've got a Space NK in town. So I like to go there and treat myself. I feel a bit bougie, you know. And I've got a few things from Charlotte Tilbury. I've got the face powder, the Pink Gasm blush, stroke highlight. What else have I got? Oh, and a bronzer. So let's just get in. So I did rip open the box beforehand. I'm so excited. I haven't gone in, but here is the box. I mean, she's bougie, you can tell. I can smell the richness of this box. I'm only joking. So let's just, oh yeah, I got some samples. Oh, did I just hit the camera? I'm so sorry. So I can't remember the deal. Sorry, can't remember the deal, but I remember getting a free lipstick. So yeah, let's show you the samples first. I've got the Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. I want to try this, so I got the sample. Yeah, I've heard good things about that. And also the Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now I have the collection one and the e.l.f., which is supposed to be dupes for this. So I'm excited to try that. Do we go with the lipstick first? Yes. So we have Mrs. Kisses. Oh dear, that's not a good start, is it? I need where's the, here we are. I mean, look. Look how fancy that is. Oh my goodness. That is bougie. Wow. Oh my god, it smells like, you know the smell of MAC lipsticks? Why does my camera look? Hang on, let me clean it. I think that's a bit better. Yeah, the MAC lipsticks, they have that kind of vanilla-y smells. Let's have a... Yeah, it smells very similar to the MAC lipsticks. But that is beautiful. Mrs. Kisses, was it called? Mrs. Kisses. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Oh my god, I don't know if you're going to see that. Oh. There's bloody love art on it. Oh my goodness. She is beautiful. Right, the box. Why is that like that? It's got some... Look at that. Bougie. Magnetic. I'm so excited. So here is the preview. Right, I'll put that to the side. Right, firstly, I thought this was they've got a fixing spray that I really want. I thought it was that, but it's not. It's the Glow Toner plus niacinamide pore tight peptide exfoliative daily radiance glow solution. Now I know this weren't bloody cheap. None of her stuff is cheap. Oh, look at that. Let's have a little sniff. Oh, I can't. Yes, I can. Please excuse my nails. I haven't done them in so long. Oh, it smells of rose. I'm not a fan of rose scented things, but apply AM and PM to clean dry skin using a cleansing pad and follow with magic skincare. Avoid the eye area. I'm excited for that. So hot. Okay, this one. Why is it so dark? That's a bit better, isn't it? This is the Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in the shade Bedroom Black. I haven't used a kohl pencil in a very long time. Oh, look, she's bougie. She's so bougie. Love that. Then we have Full Fat Lashes 5-star mascara. What does it say? Curl, separation, volume, length, drama. In glossy black. I'm not going to open the bottle, what's this called? Tube. Because I have a couple of mascaras on the go and I don't think this is waterproof. I like a waterproof because my lashes are just an embarrassment. They are just straight. So I curl them, and if I put on a normal mascara, it makes them flat again. I do want to get an eyelash perm. Yeah, did you need to know that? No, you didn't. Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil. Oh, nice. Crystal Elixir. Lip conditioning by day, lip mask by night. Love that. I've been using a lot of lip oils recently, and this is one of my new purchases. This is bloody brilliant. I absolutely love this. Oh, okay, it's in a little tube. Oh, it's a rollie. Oh, it's got the same smell as the lipstick. Nice. For prices and that, I have no clue, so I'll put them up on screen. Then we have a Matte Revolution cashmere cream texture with a soft matte finish. And I was about to say enchanted, definitely not. Enriched with papaya and orchid extracts. Ooh, cat walking. Just bougie. Everything about this is just bougie. I love this packaging more though. Beautiful. Let's have a look. Oh, nice nude. Again, it smells like a MAC lipstick. Love that. And then lastly, what is this? Luxury palette of pearls. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. Ready? I mean, look at that. Like it's a gold, but then it's got a pink pink. I say shimmer, it's not a shimmer, it's, I don't know. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. So that is everything in the dream, something of magic of dreams or something like that. I am really happy with everything. Mascara and the eyeliner will probably go to my daughter. Definitely keeping the lip oil, the toner. The eyeshadow palette is a bit of me, and the lipsticks, top notch. Love it. Very, very, very bougie. Right, that is it for today's video. I will leave the link for the box down below. I don't know whether they're still in stock, but I'll leave the link to it anyway. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and you'll see me in the next one. Bye for now.